Down in the heart of the Lone Star State, where the culture runs deep and the living is great. In South Laredo, there's a place you should see. It's called the Joya, where you're meant to be. Walk through the door to a ceiling so high, granite countertops catching your eye. All tile floors and a breeze from the fan, the perfect home part of the master plan. Whether you're Furry or LCC South, or looking for space to spread your wings out, we got the keys to a life that's brand new and a community built just for you. Oh, I tell you, you're the jewel of the town, and the 7-inning pony seats the best value around. From the gated gates to the pet-friendly trails at Corinthian Asset Management, the quality prevails. From Laredo to Houston and the Biloxi shore, we're opening doors and giving you more. Check the amenities, the list is long. Security alarms to keep you safe and strong. Living officers and a gated view, a school bus drop-off for the little ones too. We're walking distance to the shops and the grill, gas stations, restaurants, whatever you feel. And don't worry about the bills when the month is through. Water, heating, AC, it's all included for you. There's an alley of homes across the map, put a luxury living right in your lap. From Trailwood Village and Kingwood's Green to Merida Vista, the best Laredo see. Then head to Mississippi where the ocean breeze blows. At Palm Island, Edgewater, the comfort just grows. Same square feet when our hidden gems simply can't be beat. Bring the dogs, bring the cats, even reptiles too. There's a designated spot for your whole crew. Open Monday to Saturday, just give us a ring. See the style and the value that'll